Let's enable free chat in Among Us. Now, on your iPhone or Android, of course, open up the Among Us app. And on here, there are a couple different ways that we can create that free chat or enable the free chat. You can choose to create a game or find a game online. In both instances, you can select for just a free chat. So let's say, for instance, we're going to create a game. Within here, you'll be able to see a bunch of general options, but let's instead switch over to the chat options. And the default is always quick chat. So you need to switch over to a free chat if you want to disable quick chat and enable free chat. So let's just switch over. After we've done that, we can hit create a game. However, let's say in this case, instead of that, we want to go back and we want to find a game that is online. A lot of these games might be quick chat, whereas you want them to be free chat instead, and you don't know that until you filter it down. So you can see here the filter option, and then go over to chats, and instead of quick chat, let's filter it for just free chat. Now, when you hop out of here, you need to make sure that you hit the refresh button, and all of these various chats that you go through, if you tap on them and then tap on the chat, this will be a free chat instead of a quick chat.